Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you're new to my channel, I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today is Quick and Easy Day, which is Thursdays, and we are going to make this Easter carrot. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love this bunny that I came up with. Using the cat punch, the Stampin' Up! Cat punch. It's so darn cute. I really love that sitting bunny. But on this one you can do a different one, and I'll show you how I did the other one when we get to that. So this is super easy and quick. It is a triangle box. I've made different kinds of triangle boxes before. I've done a Christmas tree using it. I've done so many other projects, but I really love the little carrot. I thought it turned out really cute. So this is what we're going to make today. What you need for this is a piece of pumpkin pie. It's 3 inches by 10 inches. You can actually make these as long as you want and as wide. But if you're going to make it wider, it's not going to look much like a carrot. So that's why we're keeping it a little bit more narrow. I'm also going to emboss it using the Dainty Diamonds embossing folder. The sentiment is from A Wish for Everything. You know, this is one of my favorite. I'm using the same old Happy Easter that I always use. And then I am using, to make the bunny, I'm using the cat punch and the large daisy punch. And then we are going to be using Evening Evergreen, and this is the open weave ribbon we're going to use for the carrot top. And then for the little bow I'm going to put on the bunny, I am using this cotton ribbon combo. It comes with the, it looks like Misty Moonlight in there, and the Blushing Bride, or this is Petal Pink. I'm not sure which one it is. This is what we're going to use for the little bunny bow. All right, let's get started with this. We're going to score it. And we are going to score it in half at 5. And then you're going to turn it, and it's 3 inches. I'm going to mark it here on the end. Just put a little dot there at 1.5. That's the center of the 3. And again at 1.5 on this side. That's all you need to do, is just mark it, no scoring. We are going to actually score this by hand with the ruler. And you're going to score from this score mark, the middle one, to that little mark you just made there. So line that up. Score from there to the top here. And then from this one down to that corner. We're going to do the same on this side. So you're going to go from this point to the corner. And then from this point to the corner. Now I'm scoring it first before I run it through the cut and emboss, because I found that I could even see it after I embossed it. So I'm going to bring the cut and emboss here, and we are going to run this through. So when you're doing the big embossing folders, these are the 3D, you only need the number 1 and then this number 4. So we're going to put that in there, and we're going to do half of it, and we're going to send that one through, and then I'll turn it around and do the other side. Okay, so both are done. I can still see my score marks on here. Now if you rather just emboss first and then score, you can do it that way too. It might be easier for you. All right, so I am going to fold this in half on that score mark, and then I can still see these score marks here. They're not as pronounced, so if you rather do it the other way, you're more than welcome to. Just whatever is easiest for you. And then we're going to do this one too. I have to look at it actually from this side to see the score marks. Make sure your little corners down here are nice and sharp too. And then this is going to fold like that for our little carrot. All right, so now before we do anything else, let's go ahead and get our bunny made. So if you want to make, I'm going to get my early espresso because we're going to make it a chocolate bunny. And you can make a bunny by using your 1-inch circle punch and your 3/4 inch. I'm going to show you both bunnies here that I did. And then we're going to punch out one with the cat punch. And then I'll show you how to do both of these. And then you are going to punch out a set of ears from here. So what I do is you just need the 2. So I leave a little bit on the bottom here so that I could glue it. We're going to do the same thing for the other bunny. I'm showing you both so that you can make a choice on how you rather do it. I really love the sitting bunny. I just figured out how to do this in one of my other videos, and I thought it turned out so cute, so I want to share it again with you in case you didn't see that. You are going to cut off the kitty's tail here, and you're going to cut off his ears, of course. And just round it as you go around and cut off the ears. Alright, so that's what you're going to have. I'm turning them this way because I like it better that way. Then you're just going to glue these ears on. Like that. And then this one, we're going to just glue these 2 together. I'm not going to put a tail on this one though, because it's going to look funny with a tail and a bow on it. The other one we could do both the tail and the bow because it's sitting. And so you could either put a little bunny tail there, like use one of these little pom-poms on the back there, or you can just tie a bow and do it like this, or you can just put the pom-pom on the back for his tail, that's the one I'm going to use on this one. So we're going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to put the bow on first because the pom-pom takes a little bit to dry, so I'm going to just tie the bow before we put the tail on. This ribbon is so pretty. It's a cotton ribbon, and it's really, really pretty. It's real easy to use too. You want your bow pretty small. You don't want it to overwhelm your little bunny here. Oh. And I think we'll leave it at that. And I'm going to push it kind of to the side there. All right. Now if you want to put a ribbon on the other one or a bunny tail, we are going to put a bunny tail on this one. And I'm going to use wet glue to put the bunny tail on. And I put quite a bit on there and then just set it aside to dry. I feel like the wet glue works the best with this. All right. So there's our little sitting bunny. Isn't he cute? I think he's so cute. All right, now let's get back to this. I'm going to use my hole punch. I'm actually going to use my smaller one. This is, I think, an 1/8 inch. Then you're going to punch a hole there in the center. On this part, I'm going to use, to close it, I'm going to use my Velcro dots. This way you can open and close it. And if you'd rather use magnets, you can use magnets. But if I'm giving these to kids, I would rather use the Velcro dots. And also, if you use magnets, cover them with cardstock. It would just be better if it's for kids if the magnet's covered. All right, so then we're going to put these on here. I think these are going to be great for the nursing home because it'll be easy for them to open, and they love stuff like this. So I'm just putting them on the ends. And then we're going to close those and just give them a good pinch. I got these online. I couldn't remember, but I found these at Hobby Lobby. So they come in a package like this. So Hobby Lobby has them now. So you can check that out and you can get them from there. Now it's easier than having to order them online. All right, the other ones on the inside, I put some Easter eggs. So let's go ahead and fill that with some Easter eggs. These are little chocolate Easter eggs. And then we're going to put on our ribbon for our little, I'm going to use this piece first. So you can make it however long. This piece is about 5 3/4 inches. And I may need a little help, so I'm going to use my little, because this hole's small, but I like the smaller hole on this one, just to get it through there. So I put one through like that, and then I cut another one too. So I put 2 through. The second one may be a little bit harder. I kind of pull it up to give it a little bit of room, and then you can use something to push it through there. Because I wanted more little greenery at the top, so that's why I did 2 of them like that. All right, and then I'm going to tie a bow around here. You can tie a knot, you can tie a bow, however you want to do it. I actually tied a knot. Let's see. No, I tied a bow. But you can do however you like it. I love this ribbon too, and it's so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and tie a bow. And I hate wasting this ribbon, but I don't want to drive you crazy and undo it and try to tie it again. Cut this a little bit shorter. All right, and then you can just trim these tops however you want them to go. If you want them to go different ways, those 2 are going the other way. So I'm going to leave it like that. But ain't it cute with the little ribbon on the top? All right, and now we're going to put our sentiment on. So I'm going to grab a little bit of scrap here. I'm going to stamp my Happy Easter down at the bottom here. I'm going to banner both sides of this, just cut it. It's about 1/2 inch. So I'm going to banner both sides. Add some wet glue. I'm going to put it right at the top here. And then you can either pop up your bunny or you can just glue him on like that. I think I'm just going to glue it on. That's what I did to the other one. I just glued it flat on here. And then, like I said, you could use this bunny instead and put him on there like that. So it's all up to you. Whoops. Always give that glue time to dry. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's the other one. So aren't they cute? Wouldn't they be cute for a nursing home or even for a classroom for the kids? They're really easy to do. All right, if you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Please use the March Hostess code because I would appreciate it. and have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.